This is a circuit board of a power amplifier, and I bought it for $1. There is one big electrolytic capacitor. I don't see it another. Some wires are broken, and I need to know where this cable goes. The first thing I do to unscrew the two screws that couple the circuit board to the heatsink. And we have seen the top cover of this printed circuit board. We need to remove these two mica insulator. And I should also clean off the remaining residual of this silicone grease. And I prefer the retain of the cable piece are all removed. 4 transistor, 2 pieces the output transistor, and 2 pieces driver transistor must all be removed. First, we will remove the PNP output transistor, then we will remove the NPN output transistor. Next, 2 pieces driver transistor. First, we will test the PNP transistor, the TIP42 series. There is something strange in the reading. It should be not 0.3, but rather 0.7. Next, we measure whether TIP41 series transistor is good or not. Forward voltage between base and collector and base emitter is 0.5. This is good. Reverse voltage between base and collector and base emitter open loop. This is good. I have measured both of these driver transistors, both NPN and PNP, and they are all fine. We should also check all active and passive components, such as this 1N4148 diode. For optimal cleaning, we have to clean bottom copper. Let's install these 4 transistors on top the circuit board. We have to replace the new one with this missing electrolytic capacitor. And this is a new TIP42 transistor. We have to replace the old one. Soldering is an art in electronics. I try to solder the best I can. This is a 2 ampere capacity transformer. The primary voltage I plug in is 220 volts, and on the secondary side are 22, 0 and 22 volts. The output voltage is 0.034, or often called DCO.